In today's video, we'll be doing a full comparison on two of the most popular online course platforms, Thinkific and Kajabi. And this isn't going to be a typical comparison in which we take a look at the features and the technical components of each platform. We're not just only going to discuss which platform is better, but we're going to discuss which platform is better for you. So if you're feeling overwhelmed when thinking about which online course platform you're going to use, then this video is for you. We're going to compare both platforms using specific components that each of them offer. So first, we'll be looking at the pricing, then we'll be comparing the course look and features, marketing and sales, their website builders, and the amount of analytics and support that you get in each platform. Before we get into the review, we want to make a promise, and that promise is by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of what each of these online platforms offers, and you'll be able to confidently make a decision on which online course platform you're going to use. With that being said, let's take a look at each one of these platforms and try to figure out which one is better for you. Pricing between Kajabi and Thinkific is very different. Kajabi is a more premium and all-in-one platform, while Thinkific is very beginner-friendly and allows you to grow and upgrade your plans as your business grows. So as you can see, the first and basic plan on Kajabi starts at $120 USD per month. And within that plan, you have access to 3 products, 3 pipelines. And products is where you're able to create your online course, membership site, or mini course. And pipelines is where you actually build pipelines or funnels to sell that product. And there's a couple more things that are included in the Kajabi basic plan. But most importantly is that you have access to 10,000 contacts and 1,000 active members. So that means you can only have up to 1,000 people within your online course or coaching program. And if you exceed that amount, then you have to upgrade to the second plan. Thinkific, on the other hand, has a very flexible and beginner-friendly pricing structure. So they actually offer a completely free plan, and they're the only online course platform that does this. So this is a huge plus for Thinkific. So if you're just starting out or you want to test an idea, then you can start with the free plan on Thinkific and upgrade when you need to. And also, you're able to get unlimited students on the free Thinkific plan. So that means you can enroll as many students as you would like on this free plan. And on the Kajabi basic plan, you have access to unlimited marketing emails. And you're not able to do email marketing until you get into the basic plan. And this is where you can start emailing customers. But we're going to talk a little bit more about emails and email marketing later on in the video. But the main takeaways here are that on the basic plan, which is just $50 per month, you're able to have unlimited courses and students. So courses would be the same thing as products in Kajabi. And as we can see, even in the Pro plan, you only have access to 100 products. And most likely you're not going to need 100 products, but Thinkific offers unlimited products and unlimited students for $50 per month. And also, even in the Pro plan, you still have a limit of 20,000 active members and 100,000 contacts. But in Thinkific, you get the option of unlimited courses and students just in their basic plan. Because of Thinkific's flexible pricing and the fact that you're able to create an online course or product for $0 and then be able to have unlimited amount of students enroll in that course, Thinkific pricing is overall better than Kajabi. Next, we're going to take a look at the course look and features. The ability to customize your course content is very different on Kajabi and Thinkific. In Kajabi, if you wanted to add course content such as a PDF or an assessment, you would head over to whichever chapter or post you wanted to edit, and from here you would click the edit button. And from here, you have only the options of uploading a video, an audio, or an assessment. In Thinkific, if you wanted to add a lesson or course content, then once you click the Add Lesson button, you would quickly see that you have a lot more options than you do on Kajabi. You're able to do a survey, a presentation, an exam, downloadables, and you can even do a live Zoom call. Next is the actual course player. On Kajabi, you have options to change the theme in which your course player would look like. And you're able to do a lot more customization on your course player when compared to Thinkific. This is what your course player would look like on Thinkific. You have a similar sidebar on the left-hand side of your course player, but you're not able to do as much customizations such as fonts and headings and different colors. Now, I personally think that the Kajabi course player looks better than the Thinkific's, but this is just a minor detail and shouldn't be a deal breaker by any means. But what's important is that your course content is good, and Thinkific allows you to add more materials and add more features into your course content, which is far more important than how your course player looks. So because of that, Thinkific wins in the component of course look and features. It may seem right now that Thinkific is the no-brainer and is miles apart from Kajabi. But when it comes to marketing and sales, this is where Kajabi really sets itself apart and why it's known as one of the most popular all-in-one course platform. In Kajabi, you have several different powerful tools that you can use for sales and marketing. And one of this is called pipelines. And in pipelines, you have access to pre-built templates in which you can follow to get new customers to your Kajabi product. And the best part about these funnels or pipelines is that not just only that they're pre-built, but you have a pipeline for any situation or any objective that you would like to have. So for instance, if you're doing a product launch, if you're doing a free book giveaway, if you're a coaching client, or if you wanted to give away something for free, or just a simple sales page, there's a pipeline for everything. And while in the most basic plan, you only have access to 3 of these pipelines, if you don't have much experience in marketing and sales, then this could be really helpful in building awareness, getting leads, and getting new customers. Kajabi also has a built-in email marketing software. So that means you don't necessarily have to get a separate or an external email service provider. You can send all your emails right from the Kajabi platform. Unfortunately, on Thinkific, there's really no equivalent services or softwares to compare to these tools that are included in Kajabi. So that means you would have to get a separate email service provider and build funnels or pipelines all on your own in Thinkific. And because of Kajabi's powerful all-in-one softwares such as email marketing and pipelines, Kajabi wins in marketing and sales. Next, we'll be looking at both the website builders for Thinkific and Kajabi. Kajabi by far offers more features and customizations in their website builder. If you don't have a website, you're able to create a fully functioning website all in Kajabi. And you have access to a lot of different themes in Kajabi, so you can really make your website your own and create a very modern looking website if you don't already have one. Thinkific's website builder is very limited when compared to Kajabi. You're able to create a website, but it's mostly just a very basic website and it's useful if it's a place where you're just hosting your courses. But if you already have an external website, then you can just link it to your courses on Thinkific. But due to the fact that included in every Kajabi plan is your website builder and the ability to create unlimited pages, Kajabi is definitely the better option if you need a responsive and modern website builder. Next up, we'll be looking at a very important but often overlooked feature in any online course platform: the amount of data or analytics that you have access to. Having access to customer information, data, and analytics is invaluable to understanding what your customer is thinking, where they're dropping off, and how you can optimize your product to have the best customer experience. And Thinkific does a really good job at providing that data. So under advanced reporting, you can see your revenue, you can see your orders, your enrollments, and your student engagement. And from here, you'll be able to see how much of your course or content your student has watched. And you'll be able to see where students are dropping off, how many students actually enrolled in your course and hasn't even watched one lecture. You can also see how long it takes a student to complete a course. And you even have access to granular data such as how many people viewed your PDF, how many people viewed your text, your quiz, and etc. And all of this information is useful because if you want to have a successful online course, coaching, or membership site, you always want to make sure that you're optimizing and improving for your students' success. Because if your students are successful, then your product will be successful. You're able to see some high-level information on Kajabi, but you're not able to get as granular and as detailed as you get on Thinkific. And because of that, Thinkific is the clear winner when it comes to quality of analytics. When it comes to support, Kajabi is definitely the winner. Kajabi is a higher priced and premium online course platform, and therefore, they're able to offer a lot better support. Also, every new Kajabi user is assigned a customer success call. And in that call, you're able to get really personalized advice, and that could really be helpful, especially if you're new to online courses or new to the Kajabi platform. And when it comes to checkout and payment processing, both of these platforms do very well. The only difference is that Thinkific has a less optimized checkout page. And to get paid, both of these platforms accept Stripe and PayPal. Okay, so let's recap. When it comes to pricing, Thinkific wins. With their flexible $0 plan, anyone can start enrolling students in their online course, membership site, or coaching program. Also, Thinkific offers a lot more features that you can include in your course content. But Kajabi's marketing and sales tools are well ahead of Thinkific and any other online course platform for that matter. And Kajabi also has a very powerful and modern website builder. When it comes to providing valuable analytics and data, Thinkific takes the cake. And while the checkout and payment processing is mostly the same for Thinkific and Kajabi, Kajabi offers more personal support. So when we total these scores, it looks like there's nothing really to set Thinkific and Kajabi apart and really answer the question, what is the best online course platform? In reality, there's no clear-cut answer as to which online course platform is the best. A better question to ask is which online course platform is best for me at this time. If you're a beginner to online marketing and online courses, or you're in the phase of testing out an online course, coaching, or membership site idea, then Thinkific may be a better option for you. You can start from the $0 or $50 per month plan and start promoting and selling your online program and get consistent students enrolling in your course. Then you can always upgrade to the higher versions of Thinkific. And in this way, you're not wasting money per month, and the money that you're saving, you can use to market and get new students into your course. If you have some experience in online marketing, or you already have a decent following, you can justify paying the higher monthly plan because you're more certain when you launch your online program that you're going to be able to have revenue to be able to pay for your monthly plan. We hope that you enjoyed this video, but most importantly, we hope that we were able to deliver on our promise and that you have a better idea of which online course platform is best for you. If you enjoyed this video, then we ask that you subscribe for more tutorials and videos on how to grow, market, and sell your online course, coaching program, or membership site.